Get your free copy of the complete tutorial at www.teachucomp.com/free.
The Color Replacement tool replaces an original color in an image with the currently selected foreground color. It also provides an artistic advantage in that it preserves all the tones in the image. You can change the sampling methods, limits, and tolerance settings to control the range of colors that elements changes in your image. To use this tool, select it from the toolbox where it shares a spot with the brush tools. Then select the Color Replacement tool button within the Tool Options bar if needed. You can also set the size and tolerance for the brush by using the sliders in the Tool Options bar. The tolerance setting is used to set how similar the pixels you select should be to the other colors in the image. A lower percentage changes colors very similar to the ones you select, and a higher percentage changes a broader range of colors. Select a blending mode using the drop-down, Color, Hue, similar in colors, Saturation, used to convert to grayscale, or Luminosity. Set the limits to either discontiguous, which will replace the sampled color wherever it appears under the pointer, or contiguous, which replaces colors that are adjacent to the color under the pointer. Choose the method of sampling by clicking the corresponding button. Continuous, to sample colors continuously as you drag the tool. Once, to sample colors only once when you start to drag. Or background swatch, which replaces the area containing the background color. Finally, checking the anti-aliasing checkbox gives a smoother edge to the areas you change. Then select the color to apply as the foreground color. Then click and drag over the image to replace the color with your color choice. You can zoom in and out for more precision when replacing color if needed.
Like what you see? Pick up your free copy of the complete tutorial at www.teachucomp.com/free.